So we have here to study about combining relations. Suppose we have more than one relation. So we can do some operations as we do in set. What is a relation? We know already that relations are just sets of ordered pairs. मतलब यहाँ पे सेट जैसे सेट में होता है वैसे ही होता है, लेकिन सेट में क्या होता है, डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट्स होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या होता है सेट में कि ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स रहते हैं. सो रिलेशन में कुछ बस रिलेशन इज नथिंग बट सेट्स ऑफ ऑर्डर पेयर्स. सो ऑल सेट ऑपरेशंस ऑल्सो अप्लाई टू देम एज वेल. मीन्स all the set operations like union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, these functions as applied to relations as well. So if I have two relations, I can combine them in several ways. Like I can take their union, I can take their intersection, I can take their difference, I can take their symmetric difference, and these are exactly same as we do in sets. So what is union? This is denoted by this. So R1 union R2. So it consists of all ordered pairs from both relations. As in case of sets, we in case of union we take all the elements which are present in R1 as well as R2. So here if R1 is a set where the order pairs are like 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then I have taken R2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So what would be R1 union R2? The elements, the order pairs which are R1 as well as R2. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 4. So all the order pairs which are present in R1, both relations. Okay. Now what is intersection? Intersection means which are present in both relations. Okay, only the pairs which are present in both the relations. So if I take the same example, which elements, which order pairs are present in both relations, this pair. So R1 intersection R2 could be 2, 2. Okay, then come to difference. So what is difference? If I take the difference of two relations, it consists of order pairs which is only present in R1 but not in R2. मतलब R1 में होगा लेकिन R1 में कुछ रिलेशन अगर ऐसा है कि वो R2 में प्रेजेंट है तो उसको हम लोग नेग्लेक्ट करेंगे, इग्नोर करेंगे. तो R1 और R2 में देखो, पहले R1 में होना चाहिए, देख लिए. फिर R2 में कौन सा है ऐसा जो R1 में है, ये वाला एलिमेंट है, ये वाला ऑर्डर पेयर. सो वी कैन इग्नोर दिस. So what is the difference of both relations? R1 minus R2 is equal to 1, 3, 3, 4. 2, 2 is ignored as it is present in R2. Then come to symmetric difference. What is symmetric difference in case of sets? It is the difference of union and intersections. Means it consists of all the elements which are either in R1 और R2. मतलब R1 और R2 किसी में भी होगा, लेकिन अगर वो दोनों में है, जो इंटरसेक्शन हम लोग लेते हैं बट नॉट बोथ, इंटरसेक्शन वाला पार्ट को हम लोग इग्नोर करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज द बेसिक डेफिनेशन? इट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ यूनियन एंड इंटरसेक्शन. Otherwise I can say it is a union of the difference of R1 R2, R1 minus R2 and R2 minus R1. So R1 is this, R2 is this. What is the symmetric difference? It means I will remove all the intersection elements. What is the intersection element? This one only. So I would ignore this and put all the elements present in R1 and R2. So R1 symmetric difference R2 would be 1, 3, 3, 4, 1, 1, 3, 3. I ignored 2, 2. Then coming to closure of relations. So what is the definition? Consider I have a relation R on the set A. Okay, suppose there is a relation R on the set A. So it may be or it may not be. Equivalence means maybe it is lacking a property such as reflexivity, symmetry or transitivity. So if I have another relation which completes the lacking property, that is if the relation is lacking any property and I have another relation which is completing that property, then that would be called the closure of relation. So how to find out the closures? So in case of reflexive closure, I have to find out the diagonal relation. What is diagonal relation? Means if I have a set, then I have to enlist all the diagonal sets, that is diagonal order pairs, that is AF, all AA belonging to the set A. So reflexive closure would be the union of diagonal relation and the given relation R. Then what is symmetric closure? Then it is closure of R such that R union inverse. हम लोग को इन्वर्स पता है, सो अगर हम लोग इन्वर्स ले लेंगे, जो रिलेशन हम लोग के पास होगा उसका यूनियन लेंगे इन्वर्स के साथ, तो हम लोग को मिल जाएगा सिमेट्रिक क्लोजर. सो इट ऑल दिस विल बी क्लियर इन एन एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे तो बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. देखो, here I have an example that A is 1 2 3 4 and the relation given is 1 1 1 4 2 3 3 1 3 4. So I have to find out the reflexive, symmetric and transitive closure. So how to find out? So in order to find out the reflexive closure, I have to find out the diagonal relation, right? So what would be the diagonal relation? Here I have elements 1 2 3 4. So diagonal elements would be 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. So then I have to take, in order to find out the reflexive closure, I have to take R union this. So what would be the R union diagonal closure? So it would be 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, including all the elements in R, that is 1 4 2 3 3 1 3 4. Okay. So I have to find out the symmetric closure. So I have to take the inverse. What would be the inverse of R? Here it is 1 1, so 1 1. 1 4, what is the inverse of 1 4? 4 1. 2 3 3 2. 3 1 1 3. 3 4 4 3. So then I have to take the union of R and R inverse. So what is the union? I have enlisted all the elements which are in R1 and R2. Okay. So now to find out transitive closure. So in case of transitive relation, if I have A, B, B, C, then I should have A, C in order to tell the relation as transitive. So यहाँ पे जो R है, पहले ऑर्डर में हम लोग ऐसे लिख लेंगे, सिंपली R सेट वाला लिख लेंगे 1 1 1 4 2 3 3 1 3 4. फिर हम लोग चेक करेंगे कि उस पर कुछ ऐसा एलिमेंट्स है जो ए बी बी सी फॉर्म में है या फिर नहीं. तो 1 1 1 4 2 3 3 1 ऐसे करके है. तो 1 1 1 4 1 4 1 4 तो है ऑलरेडी. 1 4 4 से कोई स्टार्ट है नहीं है, छोड़ो. देन 2 3 3 से कुछ स्टार्ट है, यहाँ पे 3 से स्टार्ट है, तो 2 3 3 1. सो आई शुड हैव 2 1 इन द सेट इन ऑर्डर टू be transitive. So whether I am having 2 1, no, I don't have 2 1, so I need a ordered pair 2 1. Then 2 3 3 1 gone. Then 3 1 3 4. अच्छा 2 3 3 4. 2 3 A B B C. So I should have 2 4 in order to tell the relation as transitive. So also I am lacking 2 4. Then in the next set, what I did, I put 2 1 and 2 4 in the same set. Okay, I added these ordered pairs. Next we have to check that whether I get some more ABBC type ordered pairs in this set. So I am checking whether I got like this. No. So R3 would be same as like this. If I get some extra pairs like this, so I have to enlist, I have to add more ACs. Okay, so there are no lacking elements, so I can conclude here. So this is the transitive closure of relation R.